Hello, we're back. Patch1stripe.com TV repair part. Your #1 source for quality, hard to find TV repair parts. Today, I'm introducing another service, and it's the repair of these McNally ClearDryve220 headsets. They're pretty awesome. They're used by pilots, race car drivers, tractor-trailer drivers. A lot of different professions use them. They're expensive, they're good quality. The noise reduction system is excellent. What seemed to be a common problem with these particular headsets, the charging port. The charging port seemed to become dislodged from the printed circuit board. So with that being a problem, of course, I want to have a solution for it. And I have a solution for it. So now I'm repairing it. I'm offering it out there to the public. Of course, you can go to patch1stripe.com, prepay, get the information to ship them to me. I'll repair them and send them back. Anywhere in the United States, no problem. We'll make it happen from me to you, you to me. In this particular video, I'm going to show you the inside view of these particular headsets, and you're going to see the process that I do in repairing them. You'll see some micro soldering going on. When I replace the power port, you won't see the little extra thing I do to resolve the issue, though. You won't see that. I'm not giving that up too easy. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. We're just going to go ahead and go down another journey. We've done the Bose wave systems, the Bose wave system changers, of course TVs, and we're just venturing off other products that can be shipped. You have problems with them, send them to me. We'll get it repaired for you. With that being said, let's go ahead and get on with the video. Glad to be back, glad to see you all. I got a lot of things I'm preparing for my subscribers going forward. We're going to start getting a little bit deeper into electronics repair, some of the equipment, some techniques that you could use across the board with any kind of electronics. I look forward to that, and I look forward to also sharing that with you. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and get on with this video. Now, what you just seen in the video was under a microscope, all the work that we did from desoldering to resoldering the 12 mini conductors, as well as the original problem The main problem is replacing the power connector on this particular board. We have the charger applied right now, and as you can see right here, the red light is on, signaling that this battery back here is charging. When it's fully charging, when it's fully charged, the light will turn green. Besides the reassembly of this headset, we're done. This video was about introducing the public to our repair service for these McNally headsets, one of the favorites with the truckers. And see right now, it's been charged and it's green. So the battery is fully charged. We're offering a service for the repair. It's a common problem that the power adapter breaks away from the printed circuit boards, which requires micro soldering, and that is what we specialize, one of the things that we specialize here. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking at a YouTube video trying to figure out a problem. Send it to us. We'll repair it for you. We'll make it better than factory. So with that being said, patchonestripe.com, TV repair parts, and now introducing our services to the McNally ClearDryve220 headsets. Contact us and we'll be happy to make the repair for you. So with that being said, patchonestripe.com, TV replacement parts, your #1 source for quality, hard to find TV repair parts, as well as the new service with the McNally's headset. Thank you for watching the video.